The Battle of the Nive, fought from December 9th to 13th, 1813, was a significant engagement during the Peninsular War, part of the broader Napoleonic Wars. It took place near Bayonne in southwestern France and saw the Anglo-Portuguese army under Arthur Wellesley, the Duke of Wellington, face off against Marshal Nicholas Soult's French forces. Following the Allied victory at the Battle of the Pyrenees and their successful advance into French territory, Wellington aimed to secure a foothold across the River Nive, splitting Soult's forces and tightening the grip on Bayonne. Wellington crossed the river on December 9th, forcing the French to respond quickly to prevent their army from being divided. Soult launched aggressive counterattacks between December 10th and 13th, aiming to exploit the separated Allied wings. Heavy fighting occurred near Saint-Pierre-du-Roube, where the British held firm despite being outnumbered. Severe winter weather and muddy terrain added to the difficulties on both sides. Though the battle was tactically indecisive, it was strategically significant. Wellington maintained his positions, inflicting further damage on French morale and tightening Allied control in the region. The battle marked another step toward Napoleon's eventual defeat in the Peninsular Campaign.